In this class, we will solve some of the roller problems. In the first question, roller is situated in the slope section. There are two inclined surfaces here. One is making 30 degrees with horizontal and this slope line is making 60 degrees with the horizontal. Now here for this roller, the given data is Q is weight, okay, at the center. It is 12 lb. Okay. Here there are two contact points D and E for these surfaces with the roller. Okay. Here we have to find the reaction at the D point because of this surface on the roller. We have to find RD. Reaction at E point on the roller, RE. We have to find these two values because of these two contact points. Here what I did means initially I took free body diagram, FBD diagram. FBD means, or free body diagram means, we have to remove these contact surfaces and this surface, and we have to take only the forces or reactions at these contact points. Okay. Initially C I have marked. C means center of this roller. Okay. Initially I took Q. Q is given weight of the roller. Q is equal to LB. Now contact points are D and E. Okay. Now at D point, this is the D point. Reaction is always perpendicular to the surface, RD. It is passing through center like this, RD. Okay. So at the C point, RD I have marked. Now how much angle it is making with horizontal? As I told initially, this reaction line is perpendicular to the surface, means it is 90 degrees. Okay. In this triangle, I redraw this triangle. In this triangle, this angle is given. It is 30 degrees. It is 30. And this angle is 90. Okay. How much this angle? This angle is, total sum is 180. Sum of all angles in the triangle minus 90 minus 30. This value will give this angle. Okay. This value will be coming like 60 degrees. Okay. So RD is making 60 degrees with the horizontal. So I have marked RD already. So I did one horizontal line. Here I took 60 degrees. Okay. Now similarly, E is the contact point. Okay. This is the contact point. Now at this contact point also reaction will be developed. It is passing through center like this. Okay, like this. RE. Here I marked RE. I have to calculate this angle. How much it is making? Already I told you at the reaction and contact point with this slope, this is reaction is always 90 degrees with the surface. So it is 90 degrees. This angle means this angle is given 60 degrees. How much this angle? In this triangle, I redraw this. So here marking the angles are very important. This is 90, this is 60. How much this angle? So for doing that, I am taking sum of all angle is for the triangle 180 minus 60 minus 90. So we will get this 30 degrees. Okay. So this RE is making with horizontal 30 degrees. Now for this RE, I did one horizontal line. It is 30 degrees. Okay. Now here weight is acting downward. Already I marked. Here with horizontal, if you do horizontal line, this is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees because this is a horizontal line, vertical line 90. Okay. For finding this angle, total angle at the center is 360. 360 minus all this sum, we will get 90 degrees. Okay. Here I redrawn the diagram so that we can apply the Lami's theorem. RE, I am taking the angle between two forces. Okay. Why means there are three forces. We can take three angles for applying the Lami's theorem. Okay. So here RE, RD and Q is given 12 lb. Okay. So total sum here between RD and Q is 90 plus 60. It is 150. Here between angle between RE and Q is 90 plus 30, 120. The remaining angle 360 minus 150 minus 120 means it is 90. Okay. So here there are three forces, three angles. We can apply Lami's theorem. So according to Lami's theorem, we can write RE divided by sine of 150, RE divided by sine of 150, and then RD divided by opposite angle, sine of opposite angle, sine of 120, RD divided by sine of 120, and Q is 12, 12 divided by sine of 90, opposite angle, 12 divided by sine of 90. In it noun values are 12, sine 90 means 1. So take first these two and then these two, so that we will find RE and RD. Now here I took these two, RE by sin 150, this is equal to 12. Here I did line, I have compared these two, RD by sin 120 is equal to 12. Okay, so we will get RE is 6 lb. Okay, so RE value, RD is equal to 12 into sin 120 means 10.4 lb. Okay, because units are in lb. So that final answer is RE is equal to 6 lb, RD is equal to 10.4 lb. This is the answer or reactions at contact points E and D. So contact points are E and D. We did RE value and RD value. These are the required answers.